Stop your snoring guaranteed. Would you do anything for a good night's sleep? Tired of either you or your partner's relentless snoring? Embarrassed about your loud snoring? Do you want to cure your snoring for good? Did you know, according to the Guinness Book of World Records, the world's loudest snorer reaches 93 decibels, which is the same as an 18-wheel vehicle blasting through your bedroom every 10 seconds. Everyone who suffers from snoring or shares a bed with a snorer knows the true dangers of the annoying habit. Snoring can indicate serious health problems, break up marriages, and even in some cases lead to death. So snoring is a big problem, but what can you do to stop it? Don't do this. Now there's a new option, a natural cure. You will learn what type of snorer you are to avoid busting the bank on useless anti-snoring devices. Reveal to you 5 common foods that can cause snoring and ones which can help eliminate it. Uncover a secret, unknown over-the-counter solution which you can take before bedtime. Learn 4 simple oral exercises that have an amazing potential to cure your snoring quickly, easily, and naturally. Learn a powerful breathing exercise that fills your body with oxygen and helps you lose weight. Discover the 9 different types of anti-snore surgery, the potential risks, and why in most cases you should only consider these as a last resort. Plus, much more in the book, Cure Your Snore. For more information and to finally cure your snore, go to www.snore-cure.net.